Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video daily. Make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel right here. Today's videos we're going to do a very highly anticipated holiday unboxing, and this time we are purchasing item from Christian Dior, and it's going to unbox the Dior makeup. Let's get started. I'm Steve Jan, founder of Yibu Beauty, and these are my sister. We've been together through thick and thin. Nothing comes between us in our family. Just like our bond, the two new releases of the Mooncast collections, our Hero Serum and Hero Moisturizer, are the super duo. Nothing will come between your skin and the Yibu superpowers. Before I start today's video, I do want to share with you. Probably noticed my lashes. See that? I'm wearing 1111 Beauty. It's my good friend Connie, and you probably know her from my video lately, and she's the #1 tribute artist for Jennifer Lopez. And November the 3rd, she is going to air her reality TV show on E! Entertainment, Clash of Cover Bands. Check her out, and she's so down to earth. Big supporter for Yibu Beauty. So Connie, thank you so much. In just a few more days, we're going to make a big announcement, collaboration between 1111 Beauty and Yibu Beauty. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so on my previous couple videos, I was telling you guys, what do you want to see me to review? A lot of you guys talk about, oh, buy Christian Dior advent calendar. Let me show right there. Yeah, that advent calendar is over $500, and that's a lot of money, so I didn't buy that. However, I did buy a different advent calendar. Let me show you this. I have my instruction right here. Okay, so I want to show you. This is the one. So Dior 30 Montaigne mini advent calendar. I was very disappointed because on the website it looks pretty big, right? So when the box arrives, you arrive in this tiny little box like that. And yeah, I was just like, okay, that's kind of small. But you know what? It's Dior, so let's open this up. So first of all, the box cover with this holiday, the beautiful garden pattern with all the gold leaf in there. This is a holiday look. All their holiday set is coming in this beautiful box. One thing I have to give it to Dior is that their artwork is so magnificent, so beautiful. Okay, let me show you this. So I'll open this up. So this is the beautiful Dior 30 Montaigne, and I don't have the big advent calendar, but I've been looking at other YouTubers talk about the advent calendar. This is exactly the same style with a drawstring, with a little handle on the top. This is cute, but this is $97. Yes, $97. It's not bigger than my hand. You can see that I can hold this with my hand. Yeah, very small. But let's open this out right now. First of all, this is $97. I do have to say that if you really like this particular artwork advent calendar, the same style, and you don't want to spend $500 for the big one, this is a great alternate options. 97. So I'm gonna open this right now. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. So inside is exactly the same pattern like the $500 advent calendar. So you can see the door right here. That's the Dior store, the original store. And look at all this artwork. Let me get close to show you guys. Wow, this is so beautiful, so beautiful. And I gotta tell you this, if you like this type of stuff, you have to buy it right away. If you think for too long, they sell out so quickly. Yeah, and oh, this is so pretty. So this particular mini, I call it mini advent calendar, has how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 items in here. So I'm just gonna open individual to show you guys here. So I've been following this blogger right here, Hidden Mess, and I've been watching her stuff, and her review is on point. So she, on her video, she said that the big advent calendar from Dior, the door is very flimsy, but the mini one is actually very nice. It has a little handle, little ribbon right there. You can just open it like that. It's much more sturdy, so you can just close. It's definitely collectible item. And here there is a mini Miss Dior. So let me open the side box here. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Ah. What is this? This is a skincare. Oh, this is the fancy one. Let's see. This is by Dior Prestige. It is a Rose Advanced Serum. Wow, for the face and neck. Look how beautiful is this. It has a little tiny beads in there, I think. Let's just try it. This is expensive stuff, I can tell you that. Comes out kind of like a pinkish colors. One thing about Dior skincare I personally don't really care for is the scent. It's just a lot of fragrance in there. So it really depends what you like. If you don't like fragrance, you will not like the skincare. But hey, this is expensive stuff. I don't know how much is the regular full size. Let me just take a look real quick. Everyone hold please. So half ounce, not this one, half ounce is $155. Half ounce is $150. So this one is, oh wow, this is 0.34 ounces, almost half ounce. Wow, so you know what? For $97, this is good because this could be almost $97. Wow, okay, I take that back about the value. This is good value. Good value. Okay, let's open the other one right here. I just love how this door open. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. And this is their iconic Rouge 999. It's a satin finish. It's their mini lipstick. Look at this cut. This is the true red. Beautiful, beautiful red. I'm gonna put this on my hand to show you guys. It is pretty and beautiful for holiday. Now the finale is in the middle one. Let's open this up right here. It is the J'adore. I remember when J'adore first launched, and that was what, how many years ago? At least 23 years ago. Oh my god, that's the Eau de Parfum too. So yeah, so $97 you get the 4 mini, but I have to say all of it think this is the best value. So I would like to say this is more than $97. And not to mention, I think the most important part, it is the actual advent calendar. So this is the miniature of the big one, exactly the same. It's just small. Wow, this is so pretty. I wish they made this tidy wallpaper. Can you imagine your house is filled with wallpaper like this? It's so beautiful, so nice. Yeah, so that's the first thing I want to show you. Now I want to show you another item that I purchased. So hold please. So the one I got, it's called the Rouge Dior Duo Collection Set. They actually made 3 different sets. This is the Duo for $82 and for 2 lipstick. And they have one for 4 lipstick that's $184, and they made one for $1,610 for 35 lipsticks. But lipstick is okay. What I'm very interesting and I just love is the jewelry box that you receive. This is beautiful. So obviously this is the $82, the smallest one. Is also very small. But you know what, I found that if you want to use this as a jewelry box, you don't want to be too big anyway. So this is velvet texture with a, it says Rouge Dior, I'm sorry. And all this part is completely dark blue velvet. And when you open it, let me show you. There's a mirror right here. And then the lipstick sitting right here. So this is the best part. You can actually pull, hold please, to remove the tray, and then this become a jewelry case. This is so pretty. In fact, this will be so good to put all this in here. And the other thing I noticed that once you remove the lipstick, right, it's actually a cardboard, but they put a satin sheet over it. So what you can do, you can put this back in here, but turn the lipstick side around. Oh, look how pretty that look, and then you can put your stuff in there. The 2 lipsticks they give you, first one, I believe these are the full size lipstick, and they are $38. They give you the full size, let me show you. The $9.99 lipstick has this Dior. So Now I'm showing you. This is the mini one. I got it from the advent calendar. This is the big one. I'm not gonna try to color it now, but you can just see it. It's beautiful. And let me show you the big baby one. And I just noticed something right here. In terms of the packaging, outside they look exactly the same, but the inside, when you have the real one, there's a red inside. The mini one is just a black color, so that's the difference. So that's $38. Also, they give you, I think it's very smart, they give you a lip treatment, natural 000, I think that's what it's called. And you can also refill the lipstick for $30. So this is the lip balm, clear lip balm. So now you want to see the gift I received from Dior. Oh my goodness. So let me show you guys. So like I said, I followed the blogger, I forgot her name, but you know, I put her stuff right here. I use her code. It really works. So when you input a code, you have an option for gift. So I picked this pink makeup pouch. It's cute, right? Super, super cute. Has a Dior logo, Dior here, and then the charm is also has a D. Let me just remove that to show you guys. See that? Super cute. And so that's one code, you get that. And then when you spend certain amount of money, they give you some sample. Oh my god, I just noticed inside, check it out. It's kind of rubber-ish texture. This is good lining because easy to clean as your makeup got on there. It has a little star in there. So I also received a sample of a Miss Dior Eau de Parfum. And then they gave me two of their the Dior collection fragrance. Anyway, so you get this really nice deluxe fragrance, and this is pretty much the same packaging when you buy the large one. So and then it comes with this beautiful box right here, container. So cute. So I definitely feel I get a really good deal with this purchase right here. So yeah, I just want to show you what I got from Christian Dior. Like I said, I was a little disappointed on the size of the advent calendar. It's a mini, but what's in there is really good. And I think that, again, like I say, if you can't afford that $550 calendar, but you really want to take this artwork home, this is the next best thing. And let me tell you, it's not letting pay me to say that I'm not that big, right? But if you like this, you need to buy it right away because this kind of calendar sold out so quickly, so fast. And I think if you have a budget to buy a Christmas gift, and this will be great. People are just gonna be like, oh my god! And not to mention you get a lot of gift when you use the code. So yeah, so I want to share that with you. Yeah, I finally got it. I'm so excited. I missed this last year, so I'm so happy to get it this year. And I love this velvet jewelry case. What do you think? Do you think this is worth the money to buy or not? I love to hear from you guys. Alright, so thank you so much for watching my video every day and supporting Yibu Beauty. That means so much to me. I can't tell you how appreciated I am for all your support. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!